The rotating Diptube kit is a new feature added onto the Boilermaker kettles. The kit will come with 2 Teflon washers and 1 Teflon O-ring. To install, loosen the set screw on the shaft collar and pull the Diptube out of the bulkhead. With 2 adjustable wrenches, loosen the valve from the bulkhead and unscrew. Take out the silicone O-ring, put the 2 Teflon washers on the bulkhead and place the Teflon O-ring on the valve. Attach the valve and bulkhead through the kettle and tighten so that they rotate with a firm grip. Once installed, your valve and Diptube will be able to rotate, making it easier to pull the wort off the tube and hops. For more information, visit blichmannengineering.com.